Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the hurricane tracker function on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon on the right side of the screen. Then scroll down till you find the hurricane tracker function. Now it is searching for the hurricane. So as you can see, there are the hurricanes down below. So if you tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, you can see the details about it. You can see the hurricane category, its name, the last update, wind speed and pressure. You can also check it out on the map. If you click on it, you are going to see where it is located and all information and the area in a circle. So you can check out all the relevant information at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.